Hello, welcome back to the Luo English Dictionary channel. My name is Nikki.
And my name is Agina.
If you are new here, please make sure you subscribe and turn the notification bell on so you never miss a video that we post.
When we post. And today we talk about prepositions in the Luo language. And we shall start with simple prepositions. So what I'll do is I'll give you a preposition and its equivalent in Luo. Then Nikki will give us an example in English, and then I'll turn it into Luo. Does that work? Good. The first one is this, and this is what it means, or the first preposition is
Eh.
And it means what?
To, at, or to.
At or to. Can you give me a sentence that has at or a sentence that has to, and then I'll change it into Luo?
At 8 a.m. I will be going
No.
to school.
No. It should be inside the sentence.
I will be going to school. I will go to
Yes,
school.
I will be going to school. Abiro di sikul.
Abiro de sikul.
Yes, abiro di sikul.
Abiro de sikul.
So that's how you use e. The other one is ewi. Say ewi.
Ewi.
And it means, what does it mean?
On top of.
Ewi. Ewi on top of. Ewi. What you mean? Ewi.
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 Example?
The cat is on top of the roof.
Nyambura ni ewi tado.
Nyambura ne ewi tado.
Nyambura ni ewi tado.
Nyambura ni ewi tado.
Good. We have purchased our computer. So next video, we shall be editing our videos. So it's coming, it's on the way it will be. Our videos will be edited. For now, just bear with us. Nyambura ni ewi tado. Watch it.
Nyambura ni ewi tado.
The third one is what?
A.
Inside a.
Inside a.
Ebu give example.
I am inside of a box.
You are inside of a box? No.
I am on. No, not on. I am inside the house.
An a ought.
An a ought.
A.
A.
An a ought.
An a ought.
No, now you see the e and the I, we want to bring them together. So we just say an a ought.
An a ought.
But the I has to sound. A.
A.
An a ought.
An a ought.
Good. The fourth one is what is it?
Ebuo.
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 Not ebuo. Ebuo.
Ebuo.
Ebuo.
Ebuo.
Ebuo.
Ebuo.
Can you read this?
Ebuo.
Yes, ebuo.
Ebuo.
That means under.
Under.
Koro, ebu give example.
The dog is under the table.
Guok ni ebuo mesa.
Guok ni ebuo mesa.
Guok ni ebuo mesa.
Guok ni ebuo mesa.
Good. So the dog under the table. The fifth one is, how would you say this?
Etie.
And it's also under. Etie.
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 Now, the difference between etie and ebo is etie looks at things like a tree. You see, when something is under a table and when something is under a tree, they're two different situations. So when you have something that is covering like a tree, so you say etieyen, that means under the tree.
Etieyen.
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 So you can say mama nindo etieyen.
Mama nindo etieyen.
What does that mean?
Mom is sleeping under the tree.
Yes, mom is sleeping under the tree. Etie. Number 6 is mar.
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 Mar means of. Sentence with of.
Of.
Give me a sentence. Kizungu, lazima ujue Kizungu, eh? Sentence, quickly.
Okay.
People are waiting out there. She has run out of sentences. The next one is Jian.
Jian.
Now, Jian means Jian. Now, this Jian, you have to be very careful with it because if you say Jian, it is a different thing. Jian means haunting. Haunt. You know, like the way ghosts haunt people.
But ghosts aren't real.
Yeah, whatever. But now it's Jian means haunt. So you must say Jian.
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 The E is the one that you stress. Jian.
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 So Jian means behind or back. Okay? Adi Jian, Odok Jian, he has gone behind. Odok Jian. Idok Jian nang. Why are you going behind? Say Idok Jian nang.
Idok Jian nango.
Idok Jian nang.
Idok Jian nango.
And do you remember that Jian and nango have two ends? Like Idok Jian nango. Now all the ends you have to say. Idok Jian nango.
Idok Jian nango.
So don't mix. Don't say Idok Jian nango. Because if you say Idok Jian nango, now you're asking whom are you going to haunt? So you see the way Luo is very complex. Eh? The next one is, where are we? Here. Marlo. The next one is Marlo. Say Marlo.
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 On top, okay? Marlo.
Marlo.
On top of the roof. Example. Hey.
Okay, I am on top of the roof.
Marlo is above. So Marlo is like up, above. So above.
Look up.
Huh?
Look up.
Ni malo. Yes.
Ni malo.
Yeah, ni malo.
Ni malo.
That's look up. Ni malo.
Ni malo.
Remember it's ni. Ni is written like this. Ni. I noticed that this is a very difficult thing for especially people who are not Luos.
If you still don't know the whatevers, we are going
pronunciation.
to place, pronunciation. We are going to place a video right here.
On my face?
No, Like,
Oh,
it's
okay.
going to pop
Here.
up.
Here. Okay.
Yeah.
You'll click on this video, or you'll just click here, and then when you put your mouse here, you'll see it. If you're watching using a computer. If you're watching using a phone, it's okay. Let's move on. Where were we? The opposite of Marlo.
Pin.
Yes. The opposite of Marlo is pin.
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 Again.
Pin.
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 Yes. And what would you say? Sentence?
Look down there.
Ni pin.
Ni.
Ni pin.
Ni pin.
Ni pin. Not ni pin. Ni pin.
Ni pin.
Ni pin.
Ni pin.
Yeah, look down. Ni pin.
Ni pin.
Then we look at for.
For.
For is what? Mag.
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 Mag means for. Okay? Any sentence you put mag, it means for. What do you say for?
This
Sentence.
present is for my brother.
Present is called what? Present in
I don't know.
Present ni gin mag owadwa.
Gin mag owadwa.
Yes. Gin mag owadwa. They are for my brother. And the other thing is you also have this to mean for. Quom.
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 Quom also means
For.
for. Quomano.
Comano.
Quomano.
Quamano.
Quomano.
Quamano.
Quom is loosely translated to for. It might not really mean for, but it's loosely translated to for. And then the last two are gi and cod.
Cod.
I hope that sound will not appear in the video.
Yep.
Gi. Say gi.
Gi.
Cod.
Cod.
Gi.
Gi.
Cod.
Cod.
Abiro gi owadwa.
Abiro gi.
I'm
Owadwa.
coming with my brother. Abiro gi owadwa.
Abiro gi. Owadwa.
Abiro kod owadwa.
Abiro kod owadwa.
Same thing. Okay? Abiro kod owadwa, abiro gi owadwa, same thing. It's not all cases that you might be able to replace gi and kod. It's very particular. So, and what we'll do is in future we'll do a video about prepositions and do sentences in preposition. We shall just prepare a full video of sentences with prepositions.
How many minutes
Tieki.
do we have?
Tieki.
Okay. Before we finish, I want to say an update about the 52-week challenge. Since now it's going to be August next week. Yeah, it's been going well. Yeah, I've learned a lot of Luo. And I think when I go back home, I'm going to speak a lot of it. Yeah. So if you enjoyed this video, please make sure you give it a like. Please make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell on, so you never miss a video that we post.
When we post.
You can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, Patreon. And we
We now have our website, www.luoenglishdictionary.com. Please subscribe to get our newsletters.
Yeah.
Donge.
Yes.
For now,
Oriti.
doop.